Good day, board members and VIP guests. Today I will be presenting you with a technology implementation plan for the Liberty School District. I would like to draw your attention to the information on the screen, and you can also follow along with your handouts that go a little more in depth on each of the major categories we will be covering today. The first thing I would like to bring your attention to is the mission of this technology implementation plan. It is to ensure that we bring about 21st century preparation, profound learning opportunities, relevant technology, teaching and student support, technological enrichment for staff and students. In doing so, we would like to create a comprehensive and 21st century technology plan to benefit the needs of all stakeholders involved in our overarching strategy to move our district forward to a one-on-one device district. The stakeholders within our committee are the committee members, which include the technology plan implementation leader, Mr. Joshua Berg, myself, Sarah Cowart, the executive advisor, and also our financial manager. We will also need assistance from other stakeholders that belong to the technology department, encompassing also our educators and staff members throughout the school district. Now, our value statements basically support our vision. Our vision is to create an environment that harnesses the potential that is brought about by utilizing structural technology integration in every classroom. These things are brought and also supported by empowering our students, discovery of technological uses, team-driven atmosphere of learning, and creative learning environments. Now, coming up with this plan, we decided to create 3 SMART goals. The first SMART goal, and the objective of this SMART goal, is we would like to replace existing technology with high-density wireless broadband systems. We will be doing these things to support the 21st century skills of collaboration, communication, and creativity. And as you can see, of these 3 aspects, these are the things that we highlighted as most valuable for each 21st century skill. Our second SMART goal is we would like to ensure that we increase one-on-one device usage as well as one-on-one device integration. We did uncover some research that does support the integration of one-on-one device usage from the educational professional perspective, and these things definitely will allow us in driving forward with our technology plan. Our third SMART goal is we honestly believe, and is to us, the committee members, and from our supporters, the most important: authentic learning. These things, authentic learning, we have 2 steps for authentic learning. The first aspect will be implementing the 1-hour training 2 times a week for staff to be able to learn from each other throughout the course of the school year. The second thing will be applying a social media forum where teachers and students and guardians can provide feedback. Our plan basically would like to encompass these 3 things: the integration of high-density wireless broadband, the integration of one-on-one devices, and the creation of a professional learning schedule for all staff. Our time frame will be throughout the school year, of course, with these months benchmarking all the different important steps and periods that require our attention in the learning process. The funding that you see on the screen today have been contracted. However, final approval is waiting to be completed by the district finance department. Lastly, I just wanted to bring to your attention that we 100% support the growth and integration of technology in the school environment. And no longer is the field of education streamlined by textual teaching, but it is streamlining the integration of technology that ensures the learner, leader, and citizen can collaborate on topics that bring about design learning tools, facilitate learning through the use of technology, and expand the creative thinking of students in the learning process. I would like to say thank you for allowing me to present you with our technology plan, and please feel free to reach out to me if there are any further questions that you may have.